Good morning. So we are doing fermentation today, which also doubles up as probiotics for your gut. So we are going to make tepache, which is made from pineapple. It then ferments and you can drink it as a fizzy drink, and it heals the gut lining, it boosts your gut, it boosts your immune system. So it's just an all-around good probiotic that you can make using waste. So what you'll need is you'll need 1 cup of sugar. We're going to have some cinnamon and then some cloves, and then obviously our peels from our pineapple. So I want to just pre-mix this maybe beforehand, so we can have about 1 spoon of cinnamon, and we can just mix that. And then we are going to put it in a glass jar. So normally you can use, if you want to scale it up, you will use 2 cups of sugar, 4 cups of water. But today we are using 2 cups of water, and then a few cloves. Depending on your palate, how many you want to use is up to you. So cloves also has antimicrobial activity. It is also good to expel bacteria from the gut and from your mouth. It also is an antiseptic. As soon as the yeast, the wild yeast on the skin interacts with the sugar, fermentation then takes place. So we are just going to, sorry, we just lost connection then. So we're going to put our pineapple rinds in. 1 pineapple is enough. You will use the skins. You can also use a piece of the core just for added taste, but it's not necessary, but it's up to you. And there must be like just a few centimeters of the actual pineapple on the skin, and you stuff it all in. Try not to wash the pineapple. If you do, be very gentle, because when you wash the pineapple skin or anything that has natural yeast, you're washing off the yeast, so that makes the whole process null and void. Okay, and now we are just going to add our water. It must not be tap water, either boiled or carbonated water, or preferably water that has reverse osmosis, still water, water you buy in the shops. Okay. Then you can, this is optional, but you can put a cheesecloth on. I'm doing it because I don't know how tightly this will seal. So just for extra benefit, I'm putting this on, and also to keep this a bit dark. So there you go. That is your tepache. You can then store it in a dark place for 1 to 3 days. But remember, every day you have to burp it. So burping means that you open up, because the fermentation process is taking place, so it needs to release the bubbles. So you will then open it up once a day, let it breathe, and then close it again. Make sure that it's tightly closed. Oh. So just be careful when you are shaking it, depending on what bottle you use, preferably one with a tight lid, but I didn't have. So this is it. And just make sure that the water is interacting with the sugar and the cinnamon and the cloves at the bottom. So just give it a shake every day, because the interaction with the sugar and the yeast needs to happen for the fermentation to take place. And there you go, a nice probiotic that can double up as a nice soda fermented drink.